Saying God bless you when someone sneezes is Islamophobic according to librarians at a Massachusetts college, by Cassandra Fairbanks for thegatewaypundit.com. In the latest absurd news to come from liberal college campuses, a group of librarians at Simmons College in Boston have declared that saying God bless you when someone sneezes is Islamophobic. They're crazy. The group has created the Anti-Oppression Library Guide, which also dictates that saying Merry Christmas or Happy Easter is an act of Islamophobic microaggression. I mean, really? I mean, don't we have better things to do than this? How do you even say the word? Islamistic, whatever, I can't even say the word. Microaggressions are commonplace verbal or behavioral indignities, whether intentional or unintentional, which communicates hostile, derogatory, or negative slights in relation to the beliefs and religious practices of Muslims, the librarians argue. They are structurally based and invoke oppressive systems of religious/Christian hierarchy. The group claims that Christian fragility is to blame for these microaggressions. Oh, they're coming out in full force. These are nut jobs. They also argue that Christians suffer from Christian fragility and may become angry, hostile, or defensive during conversations about religion, speculating that this happens because Christians lack skills for constructive engagement with religious differences due to the fact that they are the dominant religious group, Campus Reform reports. Perhaps someone should ask the librarians about the last time that a Christian shot someone for drawing their profit or drove a truck into a non-Christian holiday market. Since they want to talk about religious-based anger and hostility, the guide also contains a TED Talk in which Melissa Boygan argues that there is nothing violent or anti-American about Sharia law. I've heard everything. This I haven't heard. This is like, what? I think that's what they do in Europe or someplace. You know what I'm saying? I think they have these kind of systems in place now. Do you see what they're doing here? Go concentrate on something else. What is all of this crap? Are you kidding me? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching.